what's up everybody, man? Take a look. Looks like this Walmart is well stocked, but again with those mystery models, man, I've been getting late. Right now I came to grab some dinner, but take a look at this Fast and Furious, man. Of course you guys already know the Lances are gone, the Grand Nationals. I think Jose made a video about the Toy Story. Other than that, Matchbox, which I don't see the new pieces like the ones he got. But they do have some M2s, man. Let's take a look. Somebody had claimed earlier on the comments, I remember somebody said they had found I think it was this kind or this casting in a chase piece. Damn, take a look at this Beetle. Well, there's one over here as well. Take a look at this one, man. I'm tempted. Very nice piece, of course. Drink Coca-Cola. I like the yellow. The rims look nice. And yeah. Oh snaps. Take a look, guys. Yeah, man. What the damn, hell yeah. This is a great find right here, man. Take a look. 1959 BW double cab. This run right here is a chase piece. Sweet, man. Damn. Very nice BW, man. Very, very nice, of course. Taking it with me. Damn. So fortunate, man. I wasn't gonna stop at this location, but I was like, might as well, man. I'm gonna go get some food real close by. I'm gonna get some dinner. Damn, hell yeah, man. Let me see what else. They got some haulers, but looks like they don't. Oh man, this is very nice, of course, man. You guys know we love BW, man. Shoot, man, that means I gotta go down the road. I'm gonna go to the Walmart down the road. Damn. Yeah, hopefully. Well, like I said, mainly I was looking for the Hot Wheels shipper. And the mystery models, but it looks like they already taken them here. So, man, still worth coming to this Walmart. Yeah, anyways, man, I'll see you guys. And stay tuned. Yeah.